Yo, certified family, first of all, I just want to congratulate all the SCA students who did the exams. All right, hope the exams was pretty good for you guys to do and hope you didn't get too nervous. Yeah? Anyway, we did aux chord users part 1, 2, and 3. So today, we're going to do part 4. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. The church girl with the wild side.
Of course, good day, good day.
Hey, was you seeing girl? How was church?
Church was good. Give me the aux there.
Alright, here.
Want me now?
Tell it down, give a little story. Nobody wants. She don't know me. This is the original side chick song. Me up and I'm feeling free.
Watch out. Ain't you know come from church?
And you know pick me up from there? Duh.
Me nah itch up on that man. I'm like Roland. Boss position. Can't like programming.
The one who always explaining the lyrics.
Listen, here, untouchable, cause they can't touch me. Hey! Basically what I mean, my name is untouchable because I am. Right. Man, you see, I don't call me Messi. My nickname is G-O-N-T. Greatest of all time, yep, that's me. Basically what I mean, Messi don't miss. And I's Messi. Call me the greatest of all time. Yep, that's me.
For real. Bless.
Real artist, the hardest, smartest, I'm too good at this. If you want to come for me, you better not miss. Cause if you miss, I don't want to know what it means. I just want to hear this song. Just play this song.
1 yard, 2 yard, 3 yard. That mama.
The one with the WIERD mixtape.
Tongue in your tongue.
She look bad, man.
Yo. They still leave the other. Skilly bang, mate. Yeah. When I take off this mic.
She look
Take it off. Just slow down, mate. Just slow. Hey, leave that man. And it's go hard, though. It's real hard. It's fire.
The one who can't sing.
I don't know why you're back cause you fall up like why you bad mind so. I don't know. Hey. Who sing the song? Me? Well, let them sing it now, boy. Say less. My face and out my size. Pack up your things and move out tonight. Caribbean airline book a flight. You make a lead the country and get out my life. Here's
The one who plays sad music.
Nobody never heard of them touch any rave about. Everything never touch a girl and get famous and then I have died every day waiting for you. Cracky, you good, right? Don't be afraid. Cracky, the song making me feel the cry right now, right?